Welcome to the speaking section of IELTS examination. My name is Sapna Dhameja and I will be your examiner for this part of the test, and this test will be recorded. May I know your full name, please?
Yes, definitely. My name is Nirmal Kaur.
How may I address you?
You call me my first name Nirmal.
Great. So, may I see your identification, please, Nirmal?
Yes, of course.
Thank you so much. So, now few questions will be based on picnic. Do you like going on picnics?
I like going on picnics with my family and friends because I more enjoy with my family.
When was the last time you went on a picnic?
Last time I went on a picnic was few months ago with my family. We visited nearby parks.
Okay, where do people in India usually go for picnics?
In India, people usually go parks, gardens, hill stations, mountains for picnic.
Okay, what do people usually do during a picnic?
People do eat food, take photos, and create memories.
Okay, fine. Okay, so before proceeding further to this interview, here I would like to inform at your IELTS partner, we are offering online classes for IELTS. You can join all modules or any single module as per your choice. The number is given in the pinned comment and in the description. If you wish to book a free demo class, then you can write us on WhatsApp or contact us, and later on you can enroll as per your choice. Thank you so much. Now, few questions will be based on culture. Do you like learning about different cultures?
Yes, I like learning about different culture because it is help me to understand their tradition, language.
Okay. Is culture important in your country?
Yes, culture is important in India because it reflect our tradition and heritage.
Traditions and heritage. How do people preserve culture?
People preserve culture by celebrating festival, following traditions, and passing value of younger generation.
Has culture changed over time?
Yes, culture has changed a lot during modern lifestyle and globalization.
Okay. Now, few questions will be based on birthday. Do you enjoy celebrating birthday, Nirmal?
Yes, I enjoy celebrating birthday because this is a special and we celebrate it with my family and friends.
How do you usually celebrate your birthday?
I usually celebrate my birthday with my family and friends, cutting the cake and having dinner.
Did you enjoy birthdays as a child?
Yes, definitely. As a child, I enjoy my birthday because I was very excited for gifts, cake, and celebrations.
What kind of birthday gifts do you like?
I like practical gifts such as books, gadgets, and something useful in daily life.
That's good. Okay, so now this is end of the part 1. Now I'm going to give you a cue card and you have to speak between 1 and 2 minutes. And if you wish to plan your answer, then you can make notes. Here's your cue card. And if you wish to make notes, then you can use paper and pencil for making notes. Okay, yes, Nirmal, you may start speaking now.
I would like to talk about a place that I have always wanted to visit. The place is Takht Shri Hazur Sahib, which located in Nanded, Maharashtra. This is one of the most spiritual place where holds Sikh image and a historical importance. It began with I wanted to visit this place for many years because it is deeply connected to Sikh history. It is holy place where Shri Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji, the 10th Sikh Guru, spent last days of his life. Moreover, I wanted visit to this place because I experienced peaceful and divine atmosphere. In addition, the Hazur Sahib architecture is the another reason why I want to go there. And this, the Gurdwara beautiful design with white marble and golden decorations to make it look more magnificent. The second reason is I would like to explore the langar, free food served to everyone regardless their religion, status, or background. I would like to visit this place with my family and friends because I would like to my trip more enjoyable and sharing experience with loved ones.
So now this is end of the cue card and I'm going to ask some follow-up questions and all the questions will be based on the cue card. Why do people like visiting new places, Nirmal?
People like visiting new places because it is helps them relaxing, break their daily routine, and explore new cultures.
Mm-hmm. Do you prefer traveling alone or with others?
I prefer traveling my family and friends because it is more enjoyable and safer.
What kind of places are popular among tourists in India?
In India,
Mhm.
hill stations, mountains for visiting people.
Okay. Do young people travel more than older people according to you?
In my opinion, younger people more than traveling because they are more adventurous and
Mhm.
energetic, but older people less due to family problems and health problems.
Okay. Can traveling help people in learning?
Yes, traveling help because people learn about new culture, tradition, and new lifestyles.
Okay. Is international travel important?
Yes, international travel is important because it expands perspective and
Okay, because it really helps them to understand about different countries
and understand the world.
understand the word, yeah, and they can improve their knowledge by visiting different places internationally.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Nirmal. Okay, so Nirmal, I would like to give the feedback here. So here, actually, honestly speaking, for this speaking, examiner may give her 5.5 band score in the real exam because she really needs more and more practice. But today, for her confidence and to appreciate her, I am giving 6 band score. Actually, she started here at Your IELTS Partner platform with the scratch. When she came here to attend the classes, at that time, she was quite nomad about the speaking. She had no idea that how to use tenses, how to use the right grammar, because her medium of instruction is English throughout her studies, and still she's practicing and she's working very hard, honestly, with me and with the team to get good band score in our ELTS. Though she needs more practice, but this mock interview is just for her improving her confidence and for appreciation, and moreover candidate like who just start from scratch, who are not aware with the language English, and who generally afraid of that how it will be in future if they start IELTS practice. So this speaking test is mainly for them and to improve her confidence. I really appreciate, because as I know her journey, as she started with quite with I mean that with zero, but now she is doing great at my platform, because every day and every week I have been seeing her improving. So I also want that appreciate her rather than writing some negative comment. Please appreciate her or write down the positive comment if you want to write something about her, because she's a girl from a village, she's a girl from Hindi background, and still she's practicing hard to be something in her life, to reach somewhere at in her life. So I really request to all of you, so if you want to write something, write positive and do appreciate her. Thank you so much. Thank you, Nirmal, and I really appreciate your speaking.
Thank you, ma'am.